Hi there, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm Jackie, and this is the first video in a whole series of videos that I'm going to be doing on how to create a sea glass mosaic on this 6-pane vintage window. This is a fairly large window, so it's going to be a fairly large project, and so it's going to take me a while to do. But the idea is that I'm going to do a whole bunch of fairly short videos, so short lessons on all the steps that you need to take to complete a sea glass mosaic. Now the idea is that by the end of all of these steps, I will have a completed sea glass mosaic. So my challenge to you is, if you want to follow along with this whole series of videos, that by the end of all these videos, you too should have a completed sea glass mosaic. The alternative too is that I'm going to put all these short lessons into a playlist on my channel, on my YouTube channel, Sea Glass Art by Jackie, that are it's going to be entitled Lighthouse Workshop. So if you go there, you should be able to see all of my lessons, because maybe you just want one or two of the lessons. You don't want the entire series, which hopefully will help consolidate some of the information that I've probably said over the course of all my YouTube videos, but it can be hard for you to find if you have a particular question. So these should answer a lot of your questions, and it'd be easier to find the information. So for each video, I'm going to give you a lesson and some homework. And if you do the homework after every lesson, you should have a completed project at the end. So for today's lesson it's really good to do sea glass art. That's my lesson. Sea glass art is very therapeutic and it's a lot of fun. And your homework for today is to decide, am I going to embark on this journey with Jackie? And am I going to try to complete a sea glass mosaic? So that's your homework for today, is to make a decision. So join me for my next video and we'll get started on this process. And in the meantime, I really hope you make it out to the beach, and happy sea glass hunting.